Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel Androitivity on YouTube and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get quick notifications of my future updates. Hey guys, so today I will be talking with you about the Google Instant App feature. With this feature you can try now many games and apps without actually downloading them. So guys, let's head towards our video. I hope you enjoy. So guys, here you can see I have opened Clash Run on Play Store and there you can see the try now feature. So you have to try any app by tapping on try now, and then here you will see this window, and after waiting for some time the game will open and you can play the demo of the game. See, here you can see it is install now button, and let me show you the gameplay until the end. So here you can see the round is over and now you can play by installing the game. Here it is written install Clash Royale now and get 2 free chests. Discover new card, new arena, and battle with friends and install now. Then when you will tap on install now, the installation window will be open. So let's talk about its app. So to find the app, go to the Google and there write how to find try now games on Play Store. And I will tell you the names of the games, but you have to click on this, and when you click on this there will be many apps open that can be tried. As here you can see, tap on any app and you can try it without actually downloading them. So there are some of the games that you can play on this try now feature. So the games are Clash Royale, Final Fantasy, Words with Friends 2, Bubble Wish Saga 3, Mighty Battles, and many more. I want to tell you that if your Play Store is not updated, then this feature will not be seen in your smartphone. So to update the Play Store, go to the 3 lines button and there go to the settings and there go down and click on Play Store version. And if your Play Store will be not updated, then it will update, and my Play Store is updated, so it is showing Google Play Store is up to date. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel Androitivity on YouTube and don't forget to press the bell icon and like and comment on this video. I hope you like this video guys, so please give it a thumbs up. So guys, thanks for watching.